Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to pay on Facebook Marketplace. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now, you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. And now all you need to do is to go to the listing or to go to the product that you want to buy, and if it offer a checkout method, all you need to do is to click on checkout. And this feature is available only in few countries. Otherwise, you can just send a message to the person and then you will need to create a plan as follow. You will need just to create a plan to meet the person to meet him in person, and then you can have a payment or like cash on delivery method plan. And after that, all you need to do is to offer him the money, and by that you will pay for the product. So basically this is how you can pay for your sale on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for watching and see you next time.